Hello everyone to this presentation of the refurbishment proposal for Zenith vacation homes in Dubai. And as we go along, the focus shall be on how to address urgent issues affecting the property's value, sustainability, and the guest experience. And that's it. So let's dive into how targeted retrofitting can transform this valuable asset into a more functional one, and of course, appealing. So, the purpose of today's presentation is to give a thorough overview of Zenith Vacation Homes refurbishment strategy. We will start with an introduction to the project, then go over the main factors that made the renovation necessary, then talk about the strategies that were selected and go over specific options to implement. Finished with practical suggestions and finally the project management process and the initial refurbishment proposal. So, the ideal property, Zenith Vacation Homes, situated in the bustling city of Dubai, is hampered by functional and physical problems that reduce its appeal to visitors and its competitiveness in the market. For this reason, our consulting report aims to address these problems through a sustainable refurbishment program by addressing problems like water leaks and dead spaces. We work to improve the property's functionality, aesthetic appeal, and compliance with device's strict standards. For example, obvious damage like leaks not only lowers guest satisfactions, but also compromises the property's long-term structural integrity. Our goal here is to offer suggestions that keep the property a worthwhile investment for the owner while meeting sustainability goals. So, refurbishment drivers. Properties like this one require refurbishment at some point in their life cycle due to physical degradation and evolving functional needs. And at Zenith, we have clear indicators of physical obsolescence in the form of bathroom and exterior facade water leaks and an inoperative balcony light in every single unit, along with functional obsolescence in the form of an unused 8 per 8 meters ground floor space, an 8 square meter ground floor space. Additionally, compliance with the Vice Green Building regulations is required to meet legal stipulations. And retrofitting offers huge sustainability benefits, as quoted by Mr. McDonough and Brongart in 2010. So, by preventing carbon emissions through reusing existing structures, for example, retrofitting, can save up to 30% more energy compared to new building constructions, as it is quoted by Baker in 2009. However, pitfalls such as hidden structural damage or the requirement for phased construction to minimize gas disruption must be skillfully negotiated, and by addressing these issues strategically, we can enhance the property's environmental and economic value. Refurbishment strategies. So, we suggest a retrofitting approach for Zenith vacation homes that focuses on updating core systems like mechanical, electrical, and plumbing (MEP), and repurposing underutilized spaces to meet modern guest expectations. I'm sorry. Unlike restoration, which preserves historic elements, or adaptive reuse, which change a building's purpose, retrofitting enhances functionality within the same parameters. Additionally, this medium-scale approach is suited to the needs by concurrently addressing system upgrades and space optimization. For example, Highfield and Gores in 2009 said that they found that retrofitting HVAC systems is in similar properties can save 25% in energy costs. Refurbishment options analysis. We have examined a number of renovations idea to handle Zenith particular problems, particularly in regards to the water leaks in the bathrooms and external facades likewise. Changing the light bulb on the non functional balconies lights is a quick fix, but upgrading to an energy efficient LED fixture addresses potential wiring issues and enhances safety and sustainability. And for the unused 8 square meter space, turning it into children's play area with parental seating appeals to families and business travelers alike. Creating a competitive edge, for instance, similar play area conversions in Dubai resorts have increased occupancy rates by 15%. So, our suggested hybrid solution maximizes guest satisfaction and market appeal while addressing both physical and functional obsolescence. Project process and management. The renovation of Zenith vacation homes necessitates careful planning and adherence to regulations. To ensure compliance, we will start by submitting detailed designs to Dubai Municipality and Dubai Civil Defense, along with the necessary paperwork, such as the affection plan, consultant licenses, and no objection certificates. Additionally, during construction, frequent site inspections will make sure that work proceeds according to approved plans. And the commissioning will involve extensive testing, such as pressure testing, repair pipes to ensure watertightness as advised by Huxley in 2019. Additionally, progress meetings and safety audits will maintain quality and reduce risks. By using this methodical approach, we guarantee that the project is finished on schedule, within budget, and to the highest standards, ultimately producing a safe and functional property. So, initial refurbishment proposal. With careful planning to reduce risks like unforeseen damage or guest disruption, our renovation bid for Zenith Vacation Homes identifies three priority interventions. First, fixing bathroom and facade leaks with investigative service to address structural damage at its source. Second, replacing the faulty balcony light with an energy efficient LED fixture for improved safety and reduced power bills. And third, turning the 8 per 8 meter ground floor area into a children's play area with built in parental seating to attract families and corporate travelers. For example, similar play area conversions in Dubai have increased occupancy by 15%, demonstrating potential for increased revenue. Of course, this bid offers a low cost solution that improves guest experience and property value while ensuring regulatory compliance. And as conclusion and recommendations for this project, we strongly advise accepting this initial proposal and moving forward with detailed design, which should include intrusive service to firm up cost and scope. By prioritizing family friendly facilities like the suggested play area, Zenith can reinforce its market niche and appeal to a wider guest base, securing its future as a top vacation destination. In summary, retrofitting Zenith Vacation Homes tackles physical and functional obsolescence head on, from leaks and faulty system to underused spaces. And these are the references. Thank you very much for your time.